suggest that the
Frankie!
13 crystal skulls
Smokie! Leave Frankie alone!
planet Earth were
No!
here from
Death
one
money
of
and
the
like
12
something.
planets, and the 13th skull is the one that apparently contains all of the information of all those 12 different worlds.
Within each crystal skull, information
No
is
way.
stored, and in fact, IBM has shown that quartz crystal can store millions of gigabytes of information. And in fact, any quartz crystal or a crystal skull could hold much more information than the computer we have now.
God!
So when these crystal skulls would be brought together, they began to interface with each other. And ultimately, a greater knowledge and information is condensed and brought to us, and that's the legend of the crystal skulls.
But, as ancient astronaut theorists maintain, why would visiting aliens have given the crystal skull to the Maya? To what purpose?
The skull is a very important motif for the Mayans. When you look around the Mayan monuments, you see skulls carved pretty much everywhere. They use it for
Yeah, by the nose.
for calendars.
And it is the Mayan calendar that many
He's
people
like, you're
refer
just sitting here
to when
watching
discussing the
this?
possibility of a new Armageddon. Are the skulls somehow linked to this? The current keeper of the Mitchell Hedges skull believes they are.
2012, just a few years away, all these different things are happening, the wars, etc. And I think the skulls are coming forward to do what they're made to do.
But are these skulls the trigger that will begin the dawn of a new era? Or will they simply be used as a tool by some form of extraterrestrial intelligence to guide mankind to its next stage of evolution? If so, is this intelligence waiting and watching for the right moment? And from where exactly could it be watching us?
Yeah, okay.
Somebody is getting driven from LA today.
I'll drive. I will fly and whoop you. We're going to cut this a little close.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have begun our descent.
No way. I'm losing this.
Anyone seen a little Tom Cruise in a girly Ferrari?
Top Gear, Sunday at 10, making history at 100.